guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this makeup look for you guys. I decided to throw on a little pop of color here on my face since I never do. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I guess we're gonna do some color. Even though I never do color, I'm feeling colorish today. I'm thinking like purple, pink, maybe blue. So I'm gonna be focusing on the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I'll just show you. It's like so pretty and has all the colors that you may need of the rainbow. And I'm also going to be using the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. Amazing. It has all the colors that I would need, but I think I'm leaning more towards like blue or purple, so we'll see. I'm going to start with the Rose Glow from Revlon. So to add to the glow, y'all know my strobe cream. I'm gonna do my eyes first because there's a lot of pigment going on and I don't want to put my foundation and then I get fallout on my face. All right, so taking the NYX concealer Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Natural, I'm just going to kind of clean up my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm just doing this so it gives me a clean base to work in. Alright, so now I'm going to set that with the NYX HD finishing powder. Just so I have like a clean base to work with. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to take a warm color just to put in the crease, just to start the process. Still trying to figure out what color I should use. Blue, purple. So I think I'm gonna go with the blue, just because blue is really my favorite color. So I'm gonna go in with the Laura Lee Party Animal palette, and I'm going to use this color right here, which is Karaoke, and I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm just gonna pat. Oh wow, yeah, this has a lot of pigment, so I'm just gonna pack that all on my lid. So usually what I like to do is I like to stretch my lid and pack the color in there. Looking real tacky right now. Going in with another fluffy brush, I'm gonna go back into the Laura Lee palette, and I'm going to take the color Hangover, which is this purple shade right here, and I'm gonna try to focus that on the crease of the lid. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to lashes, and I'm using the Ardell Remy Wispies. And also I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe, and I'm going to take the excess off my face. Okay, so moving on to the lashes. Alright, so now the lashes are in, I'm gonna move on to foundation while this dries, and then we can go back to the eyes. So before I put on foundation, I'm going to color correct with the Prep and Prime by MAC. So I'm going to be using the Milani Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and this is in the color Beige. For concealer, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. To contour, I'm going to use the Pro Conceal, which I need a new one. This is really like my go-to contour situation. Now to set my highlights, I'm gonna use the Bentonite banana powder. What I always do is I take the beauty blender, I kind of go over what I highlighted just to make sure there's no creases. To set my contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty contour, and this is in the color Island Teen. I'm going to curl these lashes a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take this color purple right here, and I'm going to put it in the lower lash line. It is pigmented, but I feel like the Laura Lee palette is a little bit more. So let me try it. This one definitely gives me more of a vibe. So I'm gonna grab a kind of like a cream white pencil from NYX, and I'm gonna put it right in the waterline. And this kind of just opens my eye a little bit. So for my highlight, I'm going to use the palette by NYX Strobe Up Genius, and I'm going to put this gold highlight. So I'm just putting a little bit of that trophy wipe on my brow bone. Moving on to lips, I'm gonna use the lip pencil Soar from MAC. And for lip gloss lipstick, I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie lipstick, and this is in the color Lip Lit in 03. And this I'm just gonna put in the middle. Now for my highlight, I'm gonna use the same Strobe Genius, but I'm going to use the purple shade. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out because I never do such pop of color like this, and I just, you know, sprinkle something on and, you know, whatever. But I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your mama, tell your friend, tell your girlfriend, tell your wives, tell everybody. And follow me on Instagram if you don't. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. I love you guys, and until next time, bye.